Welcome to historical town Sri Ranga Pattana. My name Shiva Kumar. 1100-year-old Sri Ranganatha temple located in this town. So that's why from the 1100 year people call this town name Sri Ranga Pattana. And now we are standing one of the heritage monument in India, the Tipu Sultan Summer Palace. In the summer time, during summer time for his vacation. It is another palace residency. It was located inside the fort area. That palace was destroyed in 1799 after the Tipu Sultan died by the British troops. So Tipu Sultan and his father Hyder Ali Khan, they both belongs to Muslim religious. From the 1750 to 1799, they ruled Mysore state. So in this 49 period time, Tipu and Hyder Ali, they both were made for battle against British. In Indian history, it's a very famous and the name of Anglo-Mysore War, Anglo-Mysore battle. The first two battle, Tipu and Hyder Ali, they both got big victory against British East India Company. And in Indian history, they are the first people they got victory against British East India Company. And in the third battle, British got the victory and they made a fine to the Tipu Sultan, 3 crore rupees fine. So 1.5 crore he paid the money instantly. Remaining balance 1.5 crore, British they took Tipu Sultan 2 sons for hostage. So then after he paid the money, then they released the sons. So in the fourth battle, King Tipu Sultan he was shot dead by the British force near to Watergate in this historical town. So they made handmade painting on the canvas in the town. Then after they paste on the wooden sheet. So here, whatever you are looking here, the color, all the indigo colors, the white, blue, pink, yellow, red, green, all the color, it's made with a natural dye. They were made color. Inside the palanquin, and around him, the British force, they protect him with a square type of position. So around the British soldiers, the Tipu Sultan army, without information, they were attacked about the British force. So indirectly, that flower blossom will keep you very cool. And okay.
So what flower is that?
Maybe
Lotus?
Some different lotus or rose flower, but we cannot find that which flower. But it's a flower. Sometimes it's feeling like a rose also. And in upper panel, the Tipu father Hyder Ali, he was sitting on the wooden howdah on the elephant. He was also going with the army to the battle. Visiting here and he was meeting with you, and also sometimes about defense confidential issues he was meeting here, like a meeting area. And also in the middle we can see another meeting area. In the upper first floor we can see the right is one room and left is another room, and again middle we can see another very good meeting area in the upper first floor also. But for the safety, all we are looking here, you know, the before independence, India was controlling by 525 rulers. In that 525 rulers, southern India it was controlling by 140 rulers, and that all 140 ruler portrait paintings we can see here. Someone it's a king, someone it's a ambassador, someone it's a minister, religious saint, not available.
These are South Indian rulers.
South Indian rulers.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and here we are, you can see here the Krishna Raja Wadayar tree. sitting on the golden throne, the Mysore ruler. If you go to the Mysore palace, there also you can see the golden throne upon what you think. But it's a Krishna Raja Wadayar tree. When the Tipu Sultan he was died, that time the king age is just a 5-year-old baby. But here we are looking the elder one. It means that painting was not done in Tipu period.
Ah.
1925, his grandson Krishna Raja Wadayar IV, he was visited here, and before another king painting was there, and they removed them. They repainted his grandfather painting there. Beginning only, this palace was built with Hindu and Islamic style of architecture. Just to stay with close with the barricade and turn there, you are behind. Look the beautiful ceiling there. The left side ceiling is showing Islamic style of architecture, like a off zigzag style.
Very
In upper
sad.
area till here, there are people putting ants here. That's why little bit more damage. But in upper area, no, it's a very good finishing because people cannot put ant there. Careful here. While that's in this barricade. So here we can see the Tipu Sultan period originality, how it was. It's a painting name is a Storming of Srirangapatna, the fourth Anglo-Mysore battle situation. Plain black, not a design. Could you see here the black cap was well designed? It means they are not a British soldiers, they are a Switzerland soldiers,
Switzerland.
Swiss soldiers. Like a woman, skirt. You see that? Yeah. They wear a pant, but they wear a kid like a woman, skirt. They are Scottish soldiers. Yeah, this is a very good question. The flag, when the people looking, they're thinking like it's like an England flag. It's not an England flag. This is the, it's a white and red present, but that is the blue and red. That's the British Alliance Regiment flag.
Wow.